Hi there, I'm Matt, and this is my 7-year-old Dahon with its switch kit installed. I need a folding bike. I live in a basement. Risky living out in the street. Having a bike in Camden is an absolute non-starter. So having something I can fold up and bring down the stairs and bring into the flat means I can still ride. I love it because it was really easy to install. It took me about an hour. The wheel was probably the biggest job. But that's no more different than changing a tyre. Next was the mount, which I fitted on the front with the folding bike mount, and then it was the display, and then the pedal sensor, which is on the side here. 5 minutes work really, just to get it on. One of the reasons I went electric is that this thing, bless it, I fell off it, really badly twisted my knee, tore my ACL. So I went ahead and got it, and it's changed my life in relation to cycling again. Having the confidence to know that if I've gone a certain distance and one battery runs out, then I've got this one as well, so I can, it's what? It's done. It's that simple. If you're thinking about it, then just don't stop. Don't think any longer, just go for it. It took no time to fit it. It's made such a difference to me, and you know that it all fits together, you know that everything's compatible. Anyone that's thinking about it, then just don't hang around, get it.